I literally just woke up about 20 minutes ago and I just like splashed some water on my face and I'm now just having coffee. I don't want to like start the day right away. I kind of like wake up for the next half hour to an hour and then I decide if I want to, what I really want to do. I had printed yesterday, so all I need to do is cut those and hopefully I can package them to today to go out tomorrow. I forgot that 4th of July falls on a Sunday instead of a Monday, so I thought there wouldn't be mail tomorrow. But that's like the worst thing when you are a business owner, if the Monday of that week is a holiday, but it isn't. So I'm gonna wake up a little bit more and then hopefully next time you see me, it will be me packing or cutting orders. Currently in the middle of cutting and I discovered that 2 of my machine's blades needs replacement and I've already cut like 6 sheets in each of them. So I only have 2 extra blades, so I gotta go run to Michael's. Hopefully they have a sale. I have been very unlucky with buying Silhouette Cameo 3 blades on, oh no, Cameo 2. Been very unlucky buying them off of Amazon because they overcharge there, not because it's Amazon, but it's the people that are hoarding these blades. So I'm gonna have to go make a quick run to Michael's and then by the time I get back it's lunchtime. Whoa, it's a little too bright in here today, but you guys, I finished cutting all of the orders I needed to fill. I do have partial stock printed and ready to go. I just needed to cut those, and then I also have I'm a semi ready to ship shop, so I do have stock ready also, but there was a lot of missing because I haven't like refilled my stock. So all of that's done, and this is the pile that I'm going to show you real quick what it looks like. It's not much, but I can show you guys the best sellers in the shop right now. I'm very happy with them. Here's my pile of stickers that I needed to stock, and the biggest seller in this sale is the coffee kit. I love this art so much. And then the bookish collection. I really like the shadow here, but that's just for my tripod. We have these in like the Hobonichi cousin size, the B6, and as you guys see, the standard vertical. Another one is the, where is it? Starlight is still very popular. I think you guys seen this recently. That was like last week's video, but I'm very happy that a lot of people are liking and supporting the new art in the shop. I will keep coming out with this style. And then we had a summer one. This one right here too. But yeah, this is now the stuff I need to sort, and I'm gonna do that tonight. But yeah, that's it for me today. I feel like it's so bright. I'm gonna catch up with you guys again tomorrow and keep vlogging. Sometimes it's just hard for me to vlog during a work week because I forget to hold my camera or like talk to my camera and all that. I have it charged and everything, but I just get in like this, get in the zone I guess, and just work and come home and do my shop work, and then that's it. Like I play video games just to wind down, and I don't know, I feel like the day just goes by so fast that it's already July, you know. But yeah, all right guys, I will see you tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. It's the next day. I'm having coffee like I showed you. I'm having the Voltesso. I'm also playing a little bit of Animal Crossing because Charmaine needed some Cosmo seeds and I haven't had 2, and then Leaf's in my town right now, so I bought 5 more I think to send her or something like that, and then so I sent it. And so now I'm like playing a little bit, but I really need to package all of those orders I did yesterday. And the process for me today is to sort the things I cut, then package them. But I can't ship them today because I forget that it's a holiday and the observation for the holiday is moved to today. So yeah, and then we need to go grocery. And yeah, we need to go grocery, but I don't know if anything's open. We just need rice and a few meat for the week. Yeah, so also I want to quickly show you guys the new case I got for my Switch. I went back to the red and blue Joy-Con. I did get the Animal Crossing green, the blue and mint one for my birthday. Who's got it for me and I was so happy. But I used to have my Switch in this Legend of Zelda Breath of the Wild case. I bought this a long time ago, way before I even started playing Breath of the Wild. I just like Link anyways, so I was like, all right, this is huge, so I can take it with me when I go to work. But this thing is pretty bulky, so this is like size in comparison. This one though is very, very protective, especially this particular one because it's hard, and I've seen the Animal Crossing one, the top right here is soft, so I'm glad I had this whole time. But for something that I know I'd be careful and I don't think anything's gonna be going wrong, I got this one and it folds over and things like that. Like, it's very, very thin. It's dock friendly also, so you can charge it if you want, but there's this like little bending here that you can just do that if you want. But I really like it because it's super, super thin. I will have this link down below and I will get questions regarding this. But for your controllers right there, there's a little, I don't know what you call it, but there's like a little dome that just sits on top of it so it doesn't press over your controllers. And there's other types of this particular case, but the design here is different and I don't like it because I read some reviews that when you shut it, it kind of sits on top of the button and kind of presses it to the left, and you don't want any of that happening to your buttons. So I have it here, and the reason that I switched to the red and blue Joy-Cons again is because I've been playing too much Breath of the Wild without the Pro controller, so I'm scared that I'm gonna ruin my Joy-Con. This is the one that has insurance and my new Animal Crossing ones doesn't. So I didn't want to like ruin those, and then those are more expensive than these ones. So anyways, yeah, I will have this link in my description down below if you guys are interested. I like it. It's hard enough, but I just need something skinny so that I can literally throw this in my purse and not worry about the bulk. It's particularly sturdy and I like it. I wish it came in different colors, but yeah. Hey guys, so I feel like the lighting is always weird now. Anytime this happens to my camera, I feel like I have to reset it, but enough camera talk. I finished sorting all of these stickers. This is my current stock right here. and this is what I was telling you guys, that I am partially ready to ship. So I have a few of each item in there, but then sometimes like I don't know what gets super popular during a sale, so sometimes I don't have enough, and then that's what I restock and be able to ship them at a timely manner. So I don't know why there's gardeners today, but this is all the standard vertical orders. There's not much because I feel like my most popular items are Hobonichi cousins anyways, and this is the only ones that I needed to fill. I also was told today that Love Story is totally out of stock. I cannot keep that on stock for some reason. A lot of people just really like it, but this is the Love Story theme. It's very wedding, but it's also a Swiftie kit that you guys know I love. But I am going to get ready. I called the store and they said they are open today, so that's a really good thing because we are out of rice. Yeah, so I think that's it for now. I'm gonna have to like kind of clean up here so I don't cause any issues with you know, just being messy or anything like that. But these are all done. Hey friends, good morning. It's now Wednesday and I'm starting my morning very slow. I'm just having coffee. I feel like I haven't shown this mug in a really long time. I had it in almost all of my past studio vlogs in like 2019 or something, but it went MIA because I feel like it's too big for what I use my Nespresso for. But anyways, how are you guys? It's been a few days. I'm just taking an easy morning because I finished all of my 4th of July weekend orders almost right away, and like I showed you and told you guys that I'm half ready to ship, so it's just been an easier system to process orders. And I set up my Hobonichi cousin last night. I haven't been happier or this happy for my Hobonichi. I'm going to have 3 different planners now. They all pretty much have the same exact information, but all 3 of them have different purposes. And so one of my biggest struggle as a planner girl the last few years was I cannot juggle multiple planners, but I realized and accepted that I can have the same exact information in all of them and it's okay. But they all have, again, different purposes, and the reason that I added this back in the mix is because my A6, which I was in since the beginning of the year, if I'm at work and I have the A6 with me, I can look at it and know exactly what I have going on at home and also stuff that I need to do for my day job. And if I'm home, I'll have my Hobonichi cousin telling me all the exact information, but I don't have to pull out my A6 at work. And if there's also like notes I need to keep track of and important dates regarding both of my patients, then they'll be in the A6. Hey friends, it's the next day. It's actually a Friday now. I released the deal of the week yesterday, and this is the theme. It's a villain's theme, and as you guys know, I mention villainous wax all the time, and the owner is Holly. She's celebrating 5 years of being open in business, and so I wanted to dedicate a kit for her very first collection, which was villain's theme. And I did ask her like who is her favorite villain, and she said hers is the Evil Queen, Hades, Captain Hook, and Ursula. Mine's Ursula too. So I drew every single thing, and the washi strip in the kits are actually similar to the washi she has in her shop right now. I just took out certain elements that doesn't match with this kit because there's some Jafar one. There's also, what's her face? Maleficent is on there, but Maleficent isn't in this kit, so I didn't want to include her. But yeah, the emblems are all what the 4 evil villains are in this kit. And then on my computer right now, I have it set up that I will be printing all the other sizes while I head to work this morning. And today's the last day of my 90-mile drive. Next week we are back to my old schedule, and then in 2 weeks we're gonna be doing 2 jobs for a while. But yeah. Alright friends, we are back. It's been a week since my last update. The lighting's a little bit gloomy, so I kind of turned up the brightness, but I feel like it's washing me out. Anyways, I want to just quickly update you because I didn't end the vlog at all last week. I am now back at my boss's place. He's been discharged from the rehab, so now I'm working from here. I did bring a lot of my equipment, everything that I needed for this week, because we have a release. Charmaine and I are collabing once again, and I hope you guys are excited for that. We have been hinting in our Instagram pages about a new Animal Crossing summer themed collab, so it's finally coming out this weekend. But I just filmed a plan with me that I am planning to post on Friday, so hopefully I get this vlog up by tonight, and you know, you guys could see a little bit of the things that are happening. But I want to show you guys what I brought with me, and also the little snippet of the plan with me that I did today. So I put them back all in a baggie, but we have a restock of the Sakura Crossing washi. I do have some acrylic charms coming. That's a keychain, not charms, but acrylic stuff. So we have this Nooks and Cranny one. These are the ones that I was talking about. They're not charms, but they are pins. We have Raymond, and then we have Marina. We have these beautiful washi that are also coming to the shop. We are going to both list them as a pack, but if I'm gonna see if I have some left over and list them separate, but we're gonna sell them first as a duo, as a set like this. But yeah, those are those. And then we have a mini restock of the sticky note from the Cherry Blossom collab, and then a sticky note and a notepad version of this. But yeah, all of that will be coming to the shop on Saturday, but I hope you guys get excited for it. We have been working on these since I think early May, and it's just finally happening because we just had a lot of like fumbles when it comes to our manufacturers, but can't help it. It's just the way, you know, it is what it is. But anyways, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I just want to say thank you for just sticking by me. I haven't been consistently uploading, and I hope now that like everything's back to normal on my end, you guys get more videos from me. Especially this week, I'm planning to upload 3. Just like, here you go. But anyways, yeah, I am again gonna end the vlog here, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.